Welcome to this lecture. My name is Mark Scythian. The date today is August 14, 2025. So in this lecture, we're going to cover analytical geometry and trigonometry, case in point, circle, and equilateral triangle inside of square. So the only information we have is that the square has 36 square inches, other than the inherent properties of a circle, and in this case, an equilateral triangle, for which all sides have 60 degrees. All triangles contain 180 degrees. So we can start with the information we know. Area of square has provided 36 square inches. So if we were to find its square root, this would imply a 6 inch by 6 inch square. So we can dimension the square out. So we have a reference. So equilateral triangle, again, has 60 degrees per side. All triangles have 180 degrees. That is opposed to a scalene or isosceles triangle or even a right triangle. But if we were to bisect our equilateral triangle, now we'd have two right triangles or two 30, 60, 90 triangles. So equilateral triangle bisected into two 30, 60, 90 triangles, or a 30, 60, 90 triangle per side. So area of triangle, in this case, in all cases, the area of the triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height, or the base times height divided by 2. So we know the base is equal to the width of the square, so that's 6 inches. So we have to work on calculating the height using analytical trigonometry. So again, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle or a right triangle, and so we can start with the opposite side of, let's say, the 30-degree angle. And then we have our adjacent side, and then we have our hypotenuse. So if we were to apply the functions of trig or trigonometry, opposite over adjacent is tangent, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So knowing that, we can apply tangent of 30 degrees is equal to 3 inches over A, and then algebraically solve for A. So we get 5.2 inches is the height of the triangle. So now we just simply multiply 1/2 times the base of 6 inches times the height of 5.2 inches, and then we calculate a triangle area of 15.6 square inches area. So then lastly, we have the area of the circles, which is pi r squared. And in this case, the diameter is equal to the width of the square. So we have a 6-inch diameter, for which we divide into 2 radius and then square that value, multiply times pi. So we calculate 28.27 square inches of area in the circle. Thank you for watching this lecture, and have a great day.